I'll start recording it. Please tell me what is your degree.
Sir, I completed my graduation from chemical engineering from IIT Bombay.
That's all. Which year did you complete your IIT
Uh,
Chemical Engineering?
in 2023, I passed out, sir.
Acha, what is the CGPA scored by you?
I've scored 59 percentage.
Why 1% less than 60? What happened?
Like actually, I take the sole responsibility of that. Uh, Especially, I've lost my second and third years in online, so I found it difficult during that transition period. And
Acha, during
actually,
those COVID days, na?
yes, sir, I've just spent my first and fourth year only in college and left rest I spent in home.
Oh, oh. So how it used to be to stay in IIT Bombay, na?
Yes, sir.
How was it? How
Uh,
was the stay? Describe your 1 day stay in IIT Bombay as a final year student.
Sir, it will be a very great experience. Our classes will start at somewhere around 9 a.m. and we used to have a final year project, and we have to do the presentation to the professors. Like every week we have a two meetings with the professors, and where we have to give the updates and what are the progress we have made in the project. And also we have a very few final year course projects, but majorly we have to focus on the project itself. And in the evening we used to have a ground, and we will go there and have sports activities. And later we used to have a chit chat, and yeah, majorly focus on the academics and extracurriculars.
Mhm. Mm, yeah. Now, what is for your family?
My father is a teacher, and he's currently working in a HEHS school in Karepalli, which is one of the locality uh, in our place. And my mother is currently working in primary healthcare center as a nurse.
Mhm. Acha. Now, after completing study, do you have any work experience?
Uh, no, sir, I am currently a fresher actually.
Acha. So, why do you want to come to bank? IDBI as JAM.
UIC, sir. I'm currently giving for your insurance company.
Acha, acha. I'm sorry. You are going for insurance company. Good.
Yes.
Now, 1 minute. Let me go there. Sorry.
Uh,
You are a chemical engineer. What do you think will be the job role you have to perform as an
uh,
administrative officer, chemical engineering?
so I think the major role as a chemical engineer is one is underwriting, and finding the risks involved in the industries, and that should be translated in underwriting. What kind of a premium we can fix for the industries, and what are the potential loss that can occur in case if the policy is accepted. So these are few things that has to be considered as a chemical engineer, majorly focusing on the safety aspects and equipment failure aspects.
You now tell me, United India Insurance, what are the ways in which they can get business?
Sir, majorly the UIC can make business from the like in terms of chemical industries.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I think there are a lot of chemical industries, especially majorly like petroleum and petroleum refining centers, and pharmaceutical, agrochemical industries, and also personal care products, which are few areas where. Yes, sir.
Why are you not speaking with full involvement?
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, no, not sir. I'm fine.
Now, you should talk with zeal,
Yeah,
enthusiasm, happiness.
yeah, yes, sir.
Was it present in your while you were talking? It was
Uh,
only 80%.
no, sir. I will give my best. Have you said it right? Yeah, I will correct it.
Yeah. Now, next question for you. What is the current repo rate, bank repo rate?
Sir, it is 6.25%.
What is the current bank rate?
Bank rate 4.5 percentage.
No, no. Bank
Uh,
rate is 6.5.
okay, 6.5%. Yeah, I'll,
Bank rate and MSF rate is 6.5.
yes,
What
sir.
is
Okay.
present CRR?
Uh, 5 percentage.
4%. Why have you not revised banking? This
Yes,
is a
sir.
definite questions for you.
Yes, sir. I will go through. Like I haven't focused much on banking sector.
You have to consider banking also. Which date
Yeah,
is your interview?
it's on 4th March in three days, I guess.
In which place? Mumbai.
It's in Kerala, sir.
Acha, Trivandrum.
Ernakulam.
Ernakulam. Acha, very good. What do you know about United India Insurance?
Sir, it is one of the general insurance company which was established in February 18th, 1938, and it got nationalized in 1972 as one of the subsidiaries under General Insurance Company. And currently, UIC has spreaded around 1,500 offices across India with 9,000 employees and currently holding 1.74 crores of customers, including big industry players like ONGC, Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, Hyderabad International Airport, and Mumbai International Airport, who took the coverage from the UIIC. And not only in providing the general insurance products, it is also backed by some of the government schemes like Pradhana Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, Faisal Bima Yojana, and National Livestock Insurance.
Mhm.
Should
Mm,
I?
what is your view regarding recent move for foreign FDI? What is the move what is your recommendations or views on FDI?
Yes, sir. It will be very beneficial for the customers uh, because because the foreign companies will be very interested to invest in the uh, India because since the FDI limit has increased from 74 to 100 percentage, then they can get some ownership. So the foreign companies can bring the new technologies so that can improve risk premium writing, underwritings, and risk premiums. And so this can bring a lot wide variety of products to the customers and lower premiums, and this can also improve the insurance penetration as well.
What is the insurance penetration in our country now?
Like 4.7 percentage.
What is ideal you feel? How much we should be having? You are
uh,
having any idea in advanced countries like America? What is the
yeah.
insurance penetration?
uh, I have not gone through, sir, but I think in India it's ideally it should be 5 percentage.
Insurance penetration in US.
Yeah.
I'm just searching here. Just for knowledge sake, we should know.
Yes, sir.
Uh, insurance industry, yeah. MetLife is one of the number of US insurance policies 2.98 million. Overview number of insurance industry employees, number of employees in insurance industry, insurance market in US 2009 to 23. US market percentage wise, how much? I am not getting the answer. Google.co.in insurance penetration percentage in India and USA. Both let us ask
Yes,
now.
sir.
artificial intelligence is telling insurance penetration in India is 11.6%.
Oh,
In India, it is 3.27% as on 2023-24.
okay, okay,
As on 2023-24, it was only this much.
okay, sir. 3.7.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Understood. Noted.
Yeah. So now, next question for you. NIACL, 1 minute I'm having here. Do you know what is meant by IRDAI?
Yes, sir. It's a regulating body for an insurance sector, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India.
Good. Who is the chairman of that now?
Mr. Debashish Panda.
Where is the headquarters of our IRDAI?
It's in Hyderabad, sir.
Acha, good. Now, so what is the role played by insurance industries in our economy?
Uh, like the role played, like majorly the insurance sector is really important because uh, like most of the people has a concern on losing some property or some economical loss. So so if there is some backup like an insurance sector, then most people have the faith and trust over the insurance companies, and they can pay the amount to save their property in case, because there is a lot of uncertainty in events like we don't know how the climate changes and the how the death happens. So so the insurance sector will provide a lot of benefits or the compensation to the families, uh, in case if such uncertain events happen.
And the living condition of the family will not be affected, and it will enable them to continue their living without any
uh,
difficulties.
yes, sir. Okay,
Good.
noted.
Now, have you heard of the term TDS? What is TDS?
Tax deducted source.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah. Tax deducted at source. Now,
Yes, sir.
what is the recent change made in the budget regarding tax deducted at source for for interest for senior citizens? What is the
For the
present limit?
like
Present limit.
before. Yes, sir. Like the people who are earning income of less than 12 lakhs, there is no tax for them. And who is beyond the 12 lakhs, it was around 15 percentage of the tax will be deducted.
No, no, no. This should not be told. In the case of
Okay.
senior citizens, when they are investing in, say, bank deposits,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yeah.
and if they get interest in a financial year, fixed deposit interest more than 1 lakh rupees, then
Okay.
only bank should deduct TDS of 10%.
Oh, okay, sir.
And if the in the case of non-senior citizens, that is
Okay.
below 60 years, it is 50,000. Earlier it was 40, now revised to 50. For
Okay.
senior citizen, earlier it was 50, now it is revised to 1 lakh.
Wonderful.
And in case they do not want um, TDS to be deducted because they think they will not come within the income tax bracket, then
Okay.
um, they can give form 15H. Senior citizen to give form 15H, and non-senior citizens to give form 15G. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. I will go through it. Yes, sir.
What is reinsurance?
It's a transfer of risk from one company to the other company. in case if there is any difficulty in claim settlement, the company will take the help from the other company.
Do you know what is meant by what are the various sources through which insurance companies can get business?
One of the method is investments.
Hmm.
Like in generally, whatever the premiums they have collected, some part of the premiums will be invested in the stocks and bonds
No, I'm not
approved by
asking
the.
about I am not asking about profit or
Yeah.
income. I am
Yeah. Yes.
asking new business. What are the sources by which banks
Okay.
can, sorry, insurance companies can get business?
Like recently, I've heard that the insurance company is also tying up with the bank to get to get.
Very good. So through bank assurance, they are
Yes.
entering into arrangement with the banks, and the banks in turn will be canvassing of these insurance policies because they will be getting commission from that.
Yes, sir.
Good point. You told that. Next.
Next, I have to tell it. Okay. Sir, like in terms of bank assurance, the both the banks and the
No, no,
insurance will
bank
be.
assurance over. Bank assurance over. What are the other sources of business by our bank, by our insurance companies? You must tell the agents. Through the agents, insurance business is canvassed. By
Okay.
opening new branches in different areas, new business is canvassed.
Okay,
By
sir.
giving advertisements in the newspapers, in the television channels, and also in the internet, they can get new business. By
Yes, sir.
also having insurance plus platform in the internet, they
Yes.
can get business. You should
Okay,
talk
sir.
about this detail. Very good.
Yes.
Thank you. Best wishes. Do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. No, no, sir. I think I have noted whatever the points you have told. I will go through them.
Very good. All the best. Thank you.